Hey guys, welcome back. It's 2019. Wait, just in case you didn't know. Yeah, it's 2019. Oh my gosh, my skin. So, in any event, y'all know my little Nikki baby is here with me. So, I am starting a fitness program, and I want you guys to come along with me on my journey to not look like I have a baby in my tummy. I know ain't no baby in this tummy. So in any event, guys, woo, let's do this.
Right here, let's shake it. Now, everything we do today is going to be fun, whatever you want to do.
You speak, but
The arm, let's take it out. I said, move it out and move. Feel good? Now, here we go. 4 and 3. Put your hands and bounce down. Come on, push. And just run through and push. You got it? Come on. Let's move. Again, let's grab the arm. Take it out right here. Grab it. Press. And 4 and 3. Let's sprint it out. Sprint it out real fast. Sprint it. Sprint. One more time. Pump your arms, and march it out. All right. You feel good? Come on. I said push, and step, clap, shake. Clap high, shake low, and groove. Again, come on. Clap high, shake low, and bounce, open, wide. Yes. All right. How we feeling? You feel good? Now, you got 2 moves down. You got and take a deep breath in right here. Lift, and exhale down. Does it feel good? Lift, and exhale down. One more time. Lift and exhale down. Walk your feet in here. Walk it in. Walk, 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 walk. Now you did a great job.
so I just finished my first workout, y'all.
I just do my dance.
And this boy said, "Come on, mommy, let's do it again."
Come on, mommy, let's do it again. Let's do it again. Let's do it again.
Just a quick update, and you probably hear my daughter in the background. I just picked her up from the bus stop. It is so cold outside, guys. I have to tell you that, my sleep pattern is wonky, man. My sleep pattern is completely wonky. So I barely last through the afternoon. My sleep is so choppy. And I am normally fighting to stay awake, like by 4:30, 5 o'clock in the afternoon. Like I'm struggling, y'all, for real. And so I have to tell you that I feel good. Yeah, my legs, the lower level of my legs are a little achy because I have to admit that I forgot to put my shoes on. So I did that whole workout bit with no shoes. Sorry. And so my lower level, and even though it's slightly achy, like at the grand scheme of things, it doesn't feel that bad. But it's still like, this is the best I have felt in a long time. Now, I'm not gonna be running no marathons in the next week or so, but I can feel the change in my body just by being active, today. And so that for me is very encouraging, because I do have some nagging health issues that, man, I'm telling y'all, I'm trying to stave off medication. I am not trying to be hooked on poison for the rest of my life, because that's really all the pharmaceuticals is. It's poison. I don't care what anybody says. And so I'm sorry the TV's on in the background too, guys, but I'm really trying to stave off that. And so this has just felt good. Like, I am so grateful for this start. I was trying to come up with excuses. I was honestly trying to come up with excuses, and I finally just said to myself, stop. Like, you can't, whatever excuse you come up with to not exercise, to not start, it's not necessarily, it's just, it's empty. Like, these excuses, like, just mean nothing. Like, you need to do it. There's no good excuse for you to not do it. Not this time. Not this time. And let me tell y'all, time is undefeated, okay? And I'm trying to hold out for as long as possible. And so that is my goal, is to get healthy. You know, not necessarily be down to high school weight, because then I would look sickly. But I just want to be healthy overall. Get rid of these aches and pains and other things that are going on. Lose my you got a baby in your tummy. And go from there, guys. So in any event, I do hope you enjoyed my crazy little maddening video, and y'all know the drill. I will keep you posted, the good, the bad, and y'all know I got a whole lot of ugly. So we'll see you in the next one. Okay, bye.